Hi, this is the introduction video for LegalWise 3.0. My name is Renato Almeida and my teammate's name is Michael Angelo Roger. Our product owner is Jaime Borras and our instructor's name is Masoud Sajadi. Problem: legal professionals, while working on current cases, perform research to find out how previous courts have decided on cases with similar fact patterns. Some problems that arise with that approach are manual searching, time-consuming, the centralized place to retrieve documentation, and increasing cost, volume versus time to research, ineffective search. This process is ineffective, inefficient, and expensive. Solution: LegalWise, a user-friendly system for lawyers and law associates that allows them to focus on what really matters, the customer case. Features of LegalWise: easy-to-use search engine with effective results, centralized place to retrieve documents at a lower cost, machine learning algorithm which allows high-efficient searches, which consequently lowers time for those particular searches. LegalWise 3.0 will continue adding new features and enhancements of previous work. Principal focus: train machine learning algorithm, effective storage and conversion of documents, search for new ways to create knowledge base. Additional features: register a guest user on the application, reset user password. System design: LegalWise 3.0 is a web application built and hosted on IBM Bluemix and written in Java using Liberty Profile as runtime. Apache Maven is used to manage dependencies and as building profile. The Watson Retrieve and Rank and document conversion services are used to aid in the retrieval and document conversion processes. Solr system is used to store and index the unstructured data for the retrieve and ranking services. Mongo database is used as the NoSQL database hosting service for the application persistent layer. Most of these services are provided by the Bluemix platform, except for the Mongo database, which is hosted by MLab. System architecture: as shown in the slide, LegalWise 3.0 was built using a layered architecture, strictly broken down into 4 layers. The presentation layer contains all user interface and user experience components, mainly JSP pages. The business layer includes the logic of all services offered by the application. The persistent layer contains data access components such as connectors and wrappers. The storage layer encapsulates the Mongo database that store all persistent information of the application. It is important to say that all layers in the system are closed, meaning that a layer can only access the layer right next to it. For example, a component in the presentation layer cannot access a feature of the persistent layer directly. It has to be through the business layer first. How does artificial intelligence components work? We use Watson Retrieve and Rank service to do the indexing and ranking of our system. The Retrieve and Rank service combines Apache Solr for indexing and a machine learning algorithm for ranking to provide more relevant legal answers automatically after the record had been well trained. The process is shown in the picture. First, we upload the content, which are the legal documents, and then we create and upload training data, which are the legal questions and answers. At last, we evaluate results and improve the model by improving the training data. On this slide, we have a sequence diagram for the user story Ask a Legal Question. The actor is the registered user, and the precondition is that the user must be registered and must be logged in. This registered user submits a legal question to LegalWise 3.0 search page. Then, the system generates formatted query and sends an HTTP request to Bluemix Cloud server. Then, the server parses the query to retrieve and rank service. After ranking the retrieve and rank, it returns the results back. In the following slide, we provide a screenshot on the process to ask legal question to the system. For example, in the search bar, we have, when is a complaint plausible on its face? The system returns that there are 12 results found. First one is the most recommended answer to the question. The green QA label means that this result is from the QA system, and the next result is a case result to this question. The blue button allows you to download this document. And as you can see, keywords are already highlighted to make search more relevant. Different storage layer. Why is there a need for a different storage layer other than SQL relational database? Principal focus of the application. Documents are subdivided in different parts, which are hard to maintain and retrieve from a relation database. Easy training of the system. Current system is cumbersome without a place to reference labeled data at once. Cost associated and scalability of the application. Additional features. Short time to market new features, improve agility and lower the cost. Schema design. Focus on what really matters. Quick and effective responses of legal questions. Mongo Database Management Systems was chosen as a proposed solution. MongoDB is a free and open source cross-platform document-oriented database program, classified as a NoSQL database program. MongoDB uses JSON-like documents with schemas. As you can see in the screenshot on the left, it displays a whole document with binary data and parts. The screenshot on the right displays a detailed view of the document showing the file name, title, and body of that particular document. User interface design. As you can see here, we have the register page where new users will be able to register by filling out the required fields and submitting their information. Forgot password page, in which the user can reset their password by inputting their valid username. System sends verification link, and in the backend, the system verifies if user is registered or not in database. Then creates hash code encrypted in the link and sends email to the registered user. Once email received, users will be able to reset their password by clicking on the link. Users page shows a list of all users in the system and their current status. A menu is provided to update user status, whether it is active or inactive. It is important to say that this tab is only available for administrators. Summary. LegalWise 3.0, user-friendly web application that answers legal questions using artificial intelligence technologies. Principal focus. Solve and improve machine learning algorithm. New storage layer, effective storage conversion and retrieval of document which allows easy training. Additional features. Access to the application, register system for new clients. Reset forgotten passwords in a matter of seconds by inputting their valid login username. LegalWise is able to quickly search and retrieve legal answers, making the valuable time of our legal professionals more profitable. Questions and answers. LegalWise 3.0 team will be pleased to receive some questions in order for you to better understand our work and the capabilities of the application. And this concludes our introduction video. But before, we would like to give special thanks. The completion of LegalWise 3.0 would not have been possible without the help and support received from previous members of LegalWise 2.0 and project owner Jaime Borras. Also, we would like to mention Dr. Masoud Sajadi and Monse for their valuable guidance and feedback. Want to see more about the application? Please click on the following link. Thank you.